Social AI app. So let's just take a look at it. There are a bunch of apps called this way. You need to have exactly this one. It's built by Friendly Apps Inc. So that's the app. And yeah, Social AI is a personal AI powered social network designed just for you. With Social AI, you can post status updates and get infinite replies from millions of AI followers. Enjoy your own private space for reflection and feedback, like you're the main character. Experience AI conversations tailored to your mood and thoughts. Use social AI as a tool for therapy. Receive helpful insights and AI generated support in real time. Feel the boost of always being surrounded by your AI community. So let's just open it up. I already created an account, and it's here's how it works. Like, so you just post in a status similar as you would do on Twitter or Threads. You just select who you want to share it with, and you just select who you want to share it, like supporters, fans, or critics, or jokesters, visionaries, doomers. So that's which type of comments under your post you want to get. So yeah, you need to select at least three. So basically, and then you just select this, and then here it is, and then you will see the app is loading, and eventually you will start receiving comments. These comments obviously are from AI bots, but they look quite nice, and this is just what you can see, and then you can just like, and you can reply. And then you can just engage with these comments, and then you will get a reply and another reply, and that's just what it is, and that's kind of the idea. And then yeah, you can delete your post, you can bookmark it, so similar as Twitter, but the thing is, you don't have the feed, so you don't have posts from other people, you only have your own post, and you just have comments under your post. So that's where you have it. And then, for example, you see all of these previous comments. You can get up to 20 comments, and under each profile, and then you just kind of engage with bots this way. So that's the idea. And then you can see your favorites, replies, you can see your likes, you can see settings, about, you can delete your account if you don't like it. So kind of that's the idea of the app. So this is not like a talkie AI app or character AI where you chatting with AI characters. Nope, this is just you posting posts and you getting replies from AI profiles. So that's where it is. That's the app at the moment. That's the idea. So try it out.